How to fix frozen, stuck, unresponsive Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, if you have all these frozen, stuck, unresponsive phone, click on the power button. Hold on to the power button. With power button, simply hold on to your volume up button as well, as you will find it in the arrow section. Hold on your power button and volume up button and hold it until you see your phone's logo. After you see your phone's logo, you can simply remove your finger from the power button and volume up button, and your problem will be fixed as your phone will be restarted. This is how to fix frozen, stuck, unresponsive Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.